Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the planet Venus. Venus is the planet that's second closest to the Sun, also the third smallest planet in the solar system. Now we are going to talk about how big Venus is. The diameter of Venus is 12,104 kilometers. Venus' gravity is a little bit similar to the Earth, but also smaller than our Earth. The gravity of Venus is 8.87 meters per second square. That means if you come to Venus, you imagine if you want to jump, you can jump 0.6 meters, like 60 centimeters high. Venus is the planet that's second closest to the Sun, but can you believe Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system? The temperature of Venus is 471 degrees Celsius. Can you imagine why? Because on Venus, there are a very thick layer of clouds, a very thick atmosphere made by yellow gas, carbon dioxide. Venus also has rain, but the different compared to the Earth. It rains sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a very horrible thing. When you touch sulfuric acid, it will quickly burn your skin. Okay, now we're going to talk about what does Venus actually look like. There are 90% of Venus covered by basalt. Basalt is ash molten from the volcanoes, and 65% of Venus covered by magma and volcanoes. It is very hot. If you imagine when you come to Venus, you are able to see there are a lot of magma. They are gooey, soft, and hot. You will quickly become the delicious food on Venus. Okay, now we're going to talk about the interior of Venus. Venus is similar to Earth, also the Earth's little sister, but Venus just made by 3 layers inside. It is called crust, mantle, and a core. Not like Earth. Earth made by 5 layers, but we will talk about the Earth in next video, okay? Okay, the crust is very thin, but not like Mercury. It's like 70 kilometers thick. The mantle of Venus is very thick as well, thicker than Mercury's core. It's 2,840 kilometers thick. Now we're going to talk about the inner layer of Venus. It is the core. The core is it's not very thick. Oh, it is the 6th layer of Venus. Sorry guys. It's 3,000 kilometers thick. Now, you really know Venus is the second planet that closest to the Sun and the second terrestrial planet. We're going to talk about the orbit period of Venus. It is less than Earth. It is just 225 days. Venus also has its own axis. The angle of Venus' axis is 177.3 degrees. It is way different compared to Earth. Venus is a very weird planet because Venus has round orbit rotate around the Sun, not like other planets that has elliptical orbits, except Venus. The rotation period of Venus is more than when Venus rotates around the Sun. We imagine 1 day and 1 year compared to together for a planet. 1 day should be much shorter, but Venus 1 day is much longer than 1 year. That's very unbelievable. Venus is rotating backward in the solar system. Now we're going to talk about some other information about Venus. We really know Venus has very thick atmosphere. We are very hard to see what the sun look like on Venus because the cloud is very thick, yellow color cloud. You are not able to see what the sun actually look like on Venus. The reason about Venus is very hot, not because the distance between Venus to the sun. It is just because the thick atmosphere. It can't make the atmosphere was very thick. The air couldn't run off away from the atmosphere. And then the surface of Venus will quickly evaporate to become atmosphere, very thick, covered a lot of sunlight and sun radiation. Fun fact, in Venus, you also can't see night sky actually look like. You're not very lucky compared to Earth. In Earth, you can able to see the stars, you can see the sun, but not like Venus. Alright? Alright, see you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson and have a nice day. Bye.